Okay, tonight is a component from the oddity file. I have not pulled out my CD players in a while, and I just remembered that I have this Carver vacuum tube reference compact disc player, and this is a changer. Okay, you know, it's a carousel. Right now there's a disc that's in here, and we're going to open this up, but this has two vacuum tubes in the output stage so that you can have that warm analog sound to digital music. What I don't know is what the remote would have done. The standby light will blink when it's turning on, which means that the tubes are warming up, so it does wait. It's got some direct access, and it has this soft EQ button which just kind of muffles and mutes everything. And what I don't know is if this is really like the tube circuit turn on or turn off. But regardless, it's a nice unit. For posterity, I kept the Salvation Army crayon marker. I paid $9.99 for this probably a while back. But anyways, it works well. It has a coaxial digital out as well as analog and a variable analog out. So it's got a number of jacks in back. We'll go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like inside. And there we go. This has two 6DJ8 vacuum tubes. Very, very odd. I'm not sure any other manufacturer did this. Maybe someone else can comment. But the rest of this seems to be made very well. I don't know if this is susceptible to issues with capacitors like some Carver components. It does look like it's very custom for Carver, including the actual carousel tray, because I've worked on carousels, I've worked on changers. This one looks unique, so I think they probably developed this 100% on their own. And this has a disc exchange, so it's actually playing while this is out. But anyways, that's the vacuum tube reference CD player.